Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to personalize your workspace and have quick access to the tools you use most frequently, making your workflow much more efficient. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the files and settings you need. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage your documents and customize your workspace. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This step is important because you'll need to have a document open to access the full toolbar customization options. Choose any file from your recent documents list, as this will simply serve as your working environment while you adjust the toolbar settings. Now, look over to the left panel where you'll find various options. Navigate to Toolbar, then click on the three dotted lines icon. This icon typically represents additional settings or menu options. From the menu that appears, select Customize Toolbar. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be able to tailor your toolbar to fit your specific needs and preferences. Once you're in the customization screen, navigate to Tools. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all the available tools that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers. Take a moment to browse through these options and identify which tools you use most frequently in your daily work. This might include drawing tools, annotation features, or document editing options. When you've decided which tool you want to add, click on it. Several options will appear, giving you different variations or versions of that tool. This allows you to be very specific about which functionality you want readily available. Browse through these options and click on the exact tool you want to add to your toolbar. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an Add to Toolbar button. Click this button to confirm your selection. The tool will now be added to your toolbar, making it instantly accessible whenever you're working on a document. This eliminates the need to dig through menus every time you want to use that particular feature. If you want to add more tools to further customize your workspace, simply repeat the steps. You can add as many tools as you need, creating a toolbar that's perfectly suited to your workflow and the types of tasks you perform most often. Finally, click Save to apply all the changes you've made. This ensures that your customized toolbar will remain exactly as you've set it up, ready for your next work session. Your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC toolbar is now personalized and optimized for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.